Wow.
Look who's jumping. It's our happy monkey friend. Do you want to learn how to draw him? Hi friends, it's Kiki. Are you ready for a creative adventure? We only need a black marker and some colors. Let's go. First, we draw a big head with ears.
Good job.
Now, draw a nice oval belly right below it. These are our magic circles. Draw one arm. Now simple hand shapes. And another. He is so happy. Hands up in the air, like we are on a roller coaster. Looks good. Let's draw jumping legs. One leg up high, and a skipping leg down low. And don't forget the long, curly monkey tail. It's face time. 2 little serves for eyes, a little boop nose. And the biggest, happiest, laughing mouth ever.
Wow.
What's our monkey jumping over? Bananas. Let's count them as we draw. 1,
2,
3, yummy bananas. 4, coloring time.
green,
Yellow.
brown, brown,
Yellow.
pink,
Look at that colorful jumping monkey. Bye-bye, creative friends.